Hello everyone, this is Builder Shed here, and it's been a long time no see. Last time you saw this face, though voice-wise, last time you heard it was a couple days ago, but yeah. So finally, I got the face cam stuff back up. Doesn't mean you're gonna see it every day. There's gonna be times I'm recording like after I get out of the shower just to make Linux video, which sounds a little weird, but trust me, it's not. Because sometimes I end up forgetting the entire day till I realize, crap. Other times I'm just walking out sweaty after practice, but yeah. So today we're doing part 2 of the Arco Linux video. Of course my sunglasses just start fogging up. I hate when that happens. Yep. Sorry about that. He's back on. Let's take a look at Arco Linux part 2. So right here we got, well, yeah, this is login screen. I have to admit it looks quite nice. I like the background. It kind of gives me Black Ops 3 vibes, to be honest. Like vibes of Call of Duty, from Call of Duty Black Ops 3, like around that era. So right now we just got our logins. It looked, and this is like, in my opinion, for what this seems to me, this looks like basically if you went simplistic, but you're like, we're gonna make a couple changes and make this look awesome while simplistic at the same time. And this is what they did. So, top of our password, and I adore the cursor right here. I have to admit, this cursor is awesome. But once this loads in, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, this comes with something known as XFCE4 off the bat. So now we got the Arco Linux welcome app. I'm pretty sure we saw this last time, but yeah. Has some links such as Discord and Telegram, I think that is, and of course some other collectionary stuff, and yeah. So last video we looked at basically the main philosophy behind Arco Linux, and I've heavily praised the philosophy, to be honest, and also to be honest, I said that Arco Linux is probably one of the best distros for like a beginner Linux user who's aspiring to know more about their system and stuff. Because Arco Linux basically takes them down that path and kind of guides them. But Arco Linux also comes with a lot of stuff off the bat. Some nice stuff that if you like tinkering, this is perfect distro for you too. And we also installed it during that video, but because I had to read the essentially stuff like the main philosophy of Arco Linux, that's why I've saved this till now. Like the Arco, basically the main distro review. Don't know what this is complaining about. I don't know. Updates. Oh yeah, there's quite a bit. It looks like they already got some stuff on here, as y'all see. Total download size 1.1 gigs. I'll just apply that real quick. I'm quite brain dead on whether if I should do this post video like daring it, but yeah. Transaction summary up. Get the whole collection going. So yeah, so at the welcome app it says got your basic stuff, release info, choose your project. I think this would be, we'll look at that, fast track, blah blah blah. Now it's got update the Arco Linux, the Arco Linux mirrors, top of my password right there. Updating mirror list. It may take some time. So Mozilla Firefox popping up. And I love this icon theme. In fact, I want to know like the name of this icon theme so I can just get it on my main just on my main boot, okay? Net. So yeah. What to choose. So yeah, this diagram, I'm not sure if I showed you all this last video, but yeah. It all come with the tweak tool though, so we have to admit that's actually quite nice. So I think I'll quit out of that one. I remove software that it's currently downloading, but I think we might as well look around this. So I think we might as well take a look at its flagship first, and that is the Arco Linux tweak tool. Yeah, so let's just plop in my password. Quite nice off the bat. So we got the auto start. You can add some, like for example, what if I want to start up, I don't know, whatever. Like let's say if I wanted to start up Alacrity. Let's do that, type in a command, which is of course going to be Alacrity, and just say, I'll just have no comment. Yep. If I were to sign back in, it should launch Alacrity on start. So now we got the desktop installed right here, and we can install several of them. In fact, we got the whole collection right here. XFCE, Xmodad. You got the mix of the, I like to call the geek ones, or just the tiling window managers. You got the normal desktop environments. You got the You got the 3 KDE GNOME and XFCE. I think are the main 3. And you got the bunch of other stuff right here. Which, yeah. You also got the Arco Linux desktop trasher. AKA, you just get rid of some desktop. So, if I wanted to, I can just remove that. But, yeah. So, I can select different desktops and install. And it gives me a little preview of what these look like. So, for example, here's Awesome over here. You got BSPWM, which is the one I use on my main system, as I've shown before. So if I show y'all how I got BSPWM going right now, this is what it looks like. Got this, just pop my terminals, and it looks quite nice, to be honest. Now let me just re-enable this. And it will tell you which desktops are installed or not. So for example, the ones I've taken a look at are not installed. Cinnamon's not installed, obviously. And you got Cutefish, CWM. I don't know what CWM is. Deepin, aka the Chinese one, and FVWM. Dusk, DWM. Ooh, GNOME. Herbstloft WM, i3. He got a lot here. Left WM, LXQT, Mate, OpenBox, Plasma, Qtile. I can go on. We're almost at the end. Yep. So yeah, and you also got. All you just need to do is select one of these. Like for example, I can select GNOME and just click install. Oh boy. So yeah, and Grub themes, and this one, I think is actually quite a cool theme that Mr. Dubois implemented. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably choose this one for my Grub theme. Just apply that. Got some fixes we can do, like fix some Pac-Man keys. Hold on. Fix OSPEC or OSPEC. Well, set it as the only Arch Linux server. Get the best Arch Linux servers. Yep. And no, you're not buying servers. You're just getting the new mirrors and stuff. Get the original Arcolinux SDDM.conf. You basically get the whole collection. LightDM. Install LightDM and enable it. So yeah, and just some really powerful stuff that I heavily appreciate in this. NeoFetch. And yes, use normal ASCII, use small ASCII, so I can just apply that. And if I were to launch up XFCE4 terminal. This is a small one, but if I just use normal ASCII, close that out and open it back up. Wait, I have to apply it. I'm guessing I do bash again. Now it just does that. And of course I can use lolcat as well. Just to make it, I guess. Oh my. You can't be serious. Oh my, yo. You also got a bunch of other stuff. Show font, show song, show. Well, I'm going to just have it show the host name, for example, to show off one of the tweaks I can do. And host, the host name, yeah, it's at the top, very top, actually. And well, oh boy. So I can just choose this. Now I can do, well, enable an image background, which unfortunately for this would only show in an X environment, Xorg environment, I think. So yeah. It obviously did not show up properly if I do neo fetch again. Just try this again. Hold on, Alacrity, you gonna work at this? Oh yeah, I'm in VirtualBox. Yep. Set that back to normal, and I like how I just get the whole thing just going properly. Like just, it's very easy. Just get going. Pac-Man, you can add more repos. Enable the Chaotix repo. Oh boy. Which I have not tested that out. I think I might as well test that out at some point. Like the Chaotix repo. You know, the Arch Linux test repo. You get a privacy, you got some other stuff. Install / remove uBlock origin. uBlocks and installed. HBlock. Yeah. So SDDM, here's the configuration, auto login, yeah, like your whole stuff. You got the Arcolinux Simplicity, which is the default, which looks really nice. Cursor theme, Bibata, Modern Ice, terminals. Now this is cool. I can install Alacrity themes, install themes like this. Yeah. Terminal fun. So we can have these, which I think I'm just gonna pop my terminal again. Sfetch. Ufetch is not found. Ufetch Arco. Yeah, they're not found. Well, do a pfetch. What about that? So some of these are not installed yet. Okay, now sysfetch seems to be installed. This is taking 10 years. Got screen fetch. Not found. So we get some nice terminal tweaks and stuff. I'm just going to keep it on NeoFetch right now. So, yeah. Themes. So we could just screw around with themes and yeah. So we can select themes, which we can grab the install themes. Well, install the window manager. Username. We can create a user right here and yeah. ZSH. So now we got different ZSH themes we can go with, and which is awesome. Lambda, we can go Half-Life style, just like, why not? See if I launch up ZSH. Half-Life 3, baby. Oh boy. Yeah. So we basically took a look at this, the Arco Linux tweak tool, and this is a really good tweak tool. Manjaro, take lessons from Arco here, okay? So yeah, let me just close out of that. Now they seem to be installed. Well, almost. Yep. So if I haven't mentioned this already, this comes with XFCE off the bat. So this should run on pretty much anything that could run XFCE4. Thought I should have put that out there. And we also got some stuff like Conky. Which, oh my, like, yo. Sublime text. This thing comes with Sublime text off the bat. You can't unregistered. Why can't this thing just use Vim? Or at the very least, VS Code. Like, yo. I've never been a thing. I never had much of a. I was never much of a fan of Sublime, to be honest. So we got Conky over here just popping up. Conky's in. Let's just pop this back open. Got that kind is popping up and popping Conky's in again. So what this looks like. Yeah, like, yo. I really would have liked it if they just showed you what these look like off the bat. Having to infer what these are based on their code. So, yep. I'm just going to leave it like that. Like, I'll be honest here, if this computer did not have problems with Grub trying to install stuff, which I'm really hoping that the people at the Linux, people behind the Linux kernel, like Pete's working on that, really get to work on fixing the problem with the Gigabyte motherboards, like in Linux, because ACPI problems, there are ACPI problems with those, and it just causes problems. Like, you can't install distribution easily without having to go to the command line and do a manual install yourself, which gets annoying. So, yeah. Got some other stuff like Task Manager. Yep. Just go nuke some tasks. Right there. And I say this probably does not come with HTOP. I hope it comes with HTOP. Yes, it comes with HTOP. Yeah. Just close out. Bruh. So you tell me this thing runs on a slideshow? Okay. Got stuff like Inkmax, Inkscape, Nomax. Ristretto, right there. Color picker, GIMP. Just pop that open. As we all like GIMPs, am I right? Hackable text editor, get ahead. What? No. Hey, yo. You can't be pulling this kind of crap on me, okay? This thing cannot be pulling this kind of crap. So, yeah. I'm going to toggle conky off. Get rid of that. We got like three browsers off the bat. So this really. Let me just try all these. And of course, this does not mean you can't uninstall these. Yes, you can uninstall these. There's nothing blocking you from doing it. Here's GIMP. Got Qubit Torn if you want to go get some movies. Oh, okay, you don't strap me down for saying that, okay? So yeah, and simple screen recorder. You got a simple recorder for your screen. Just VLC, obviously, on here. Pulse audio. Got some office stuff. Here's GIMP opened up. Just close the. So we got some other things like appearance, which we can obviously do. Block ads. Yep. Well, I want to see if I can block a website. Hold on. I want to go in the file and block some websites, okay? So yeah, we can obviously change something. Color profiles. Like, this thing comes with a lot of awesome stuff. Half of this I cannot review in this video because there's too many. Who knows? I may need a part 3 for this. I do not know. I should get a separate Arco Linux series going because this is awesome. Grub Customizer, Quantum Manager, Privilege Granting. Holy. Settings Manager for XFCE. Window Manager. Oh, wait, no, half these are part of XFCE4's little thing, but yeah. I'm just going to pop an appearance, see what kind of things Arco has here. Because they ought to have some good stuff in this. And of course, with XFCE4, like always, you can always just modify this. So we can just edit this and here Vivaldi pops up. How long does this need to take to pop up? Yep. So yeah. So we got a crap ton of themes we can choose from. This thing comes with a lot off the bat from what it seems. So let me just click on Arc. See what that looks like. If this thing wants to not take 10 years. Welcome to Vivaldi. Yeah, just close out of that. So this is Vivaldi right here. I'm going to close out Vivaldi. Hopefully things should start speeding up. virtual machines. So I'm just gonna say welcome to virtual. So now this thing wants to start speeding up. Jeez, how long? Yeah, how long did this want it to take? So we can have this show as icons. So like this. Have it show up as a list, or we can have it show up as a tree. Generic application names. Here, Adam wants to pop up. That's part of the reason why I just screwed myself over. So I'm just going to go with icon here, just for simplicity reasons. Yeah, I know about all those. Jeez. So I think we might as well restart this. So yeah, I need to see how long this is taking though. 26 minutes? Jeez. Well, I think I can end this video off here. From what I've seen reviewing Arco Linux, it is an awesome Linux distribution. I think everyone should at least try it out in VirtualBox, to be honest. The thing about Arco is it has a lot of powerful tools at your fingertips, and you just don't see that with often many other distributions. That's probably because of Arco Linux's philosophy, Arco Linux is all about guiding is based on guiding the newbie to becoming a power user. And with that as its main philosophy, it would make sense for the base version of Arco Linux to come with, well, a bunch of easy to use power user tools where you can change it so much and customize it so easily. And that's where we'll leave it off. When it comes to Arco Linux, it's a full on 10 out of 10. Like, yeah, it's probably one of the highest we've been on this. So yeah, it's been Builder Shed. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya. If y'all like this type of content, make sure to drop a like. If you wanted to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe. If you don't like this content, or specifically this video, drop a dislike. And it'd be heavily appreciated if you were to also drop a comment explaining why you disliked the video and some issues, also known as constructive feedback. I'll see y'all next time. See ya.